In this video, we'll try to calculate month-over-month change. In the report page, we have a month, year, total steps in a table visual, and we'll try to create a new measure and try to calculate the previous month steps. We'll name the measure as previous month steps equal to, we'll use the calculate function, and we want to calculate the total steps. And the filter condition will be, we will use the previous month function which is available for us in the time intelligence functions. Previous month, we'll pass the calendar table date. Close the parenthesis and commit to it and make all the format changes, whatever you want, 1000 separators. Drag that onto the visual, table visual. We have your total steps and previous month steps, two measures. And next step is we can calculate the difference. I've already calculated. It's a very simple thing, total steps minus previous month steps. We have those three measures rather, on the table visual. We have the steps difference, previous month and total steps. And I went ahead and calculated another measure, which is a percentage, as you can see. And once we have that, we can drag that onto the table visual. So we have a table visual, and we can copy the table visual and convert that into a line and clustered column chart. You can pause the video and look at the values which I've passed to these two visuals. We have a slicer up top, and also a table visual on the left, and on the right you have your line and clustered column chart. Based on your needs, you can make changes to the formatting, use the formatting section and make the changes. As you can see, I've made changes to the line from solid to dashed, and also we can play around with all those interpolation and those types, smooth, linear, or stepped. And it's a line and clustered column chart. So based on your needs, you can make all those changes. And I just wanted to demonstrate that it's pretty easy to calculate the previous month, and we can use the time intelligence functions which are available: previous day, previous year, previous month, and previous quarter. So those four are available. And this report page has a table visual on the left and a line and clustered column chart on the right, and we have a slicer up top. So whenever user makes selections, those visuals are also interactive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.